With the introduction of CLAAS Touch on all new generation machines, there have also been some revisions made to the header control system. Pictured here in the secondary display area is the new layout of the header control system. To the left we have the contour system with 2 presets, and to the right we have the preset cutting height with 2 presets. Focusing on the contour system, the bar graph now has a black line in the middle. This black line signifies ground level. Whenever we set one of our presets above ground level, that will activate auto contour on the front attachment. Whenever we set a preset below the ground line, that will activate contour on the front attachment. Auto contour uses sensing bands fitted to the front attachment to compensate for movement in the direction of travel and crossways to the direction of travel. Whenever we use contour, compensation will only be in the direction of travel. When using a front attachment, if in auto contour mode, the display value will always be above 0 but below 100. Whenever using ground pressure mode, the display value will be 0 or lower in a minus number. In the center we have our header symbol. Currently the header symbol is displaying that the system is not activated. When the system is activated, the header symbol will now show a contour band below the header, as well as turning the ground line under the header green. This shows that the system is now active. Currently we are using the auto contour system, but if we press the auto contour button once more, that will now switch the header into contour mode. In contour mode, our header is now sitting on the ground level with the addition of the green dot and arrow to signify ground pressure mode. When using a preset cutting height, we will then see the symbol displayed on the screen, which means that the header is being held at a fixed height. With the preset cutting height, we again have 2 adjustments for setting 2 different preset cutting heights. You will notice at the lower cutting height, we will then get the addition of the green bar. This green bar is then signifying the working area for the header. To make an adjustment to any of the presets, we simply press the header display logo. This will then bring up our front attachment height. Simply click in, make the adjustment, accept with the tick, and the header will then be set at the new preset height. This works the same for any of the presets, whether they be preset height or auto contour. Another quick way to adjust any of the presets is to use the direct access key. With one of the presets selected and highlighted green, we can toggle the direct access key to set the preset to the desired level. Other settings that can be made to the auto contour system include sensitivity of both up and down and left and right movements. We can also change the front attachment lift and drop rates, and we can also change the drop rate for the auto contour mode. To make an adjustment, simply tap on the symbol, and the adjustment can then be made from -50 to be the slowest and +50 to be the fastest. When using front attachments such as pickup and orbis, it is always preferable to operate in auto contour mode. Auto contour mode will ensure that there is no excess ground pressure being put on the front attachment, which can cause damage. For front attachments such as direct disc that have no level sensors, the only mode of operation is ground pressure mode or preset cutting height.